Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2009 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now I know the front bumper is not a factory front bumper, but I will tell you what you need to do to make this tire and wheel setup work. It is a 2.5-inch lift with some 20x9 wheels with a negative 12mm offset and some 35x1250 R20 mud terrain tires. With that being said, Jeeps have some of the best wheel wells to clear tires. From the factory, you are just set up to run an oversized tire. With that being said, a 2.5-inch lift, 20x9 wheels, negative 12 offset, 35-inch mud terrain tires, yes, you can clear them. However, the front valance underneath the front bumper, it's this little plastic piece. You could remove it and or trim it. You will need to trim just a section of that in order to clear these 35s with a 20x9 with a negative 12mm offset. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text. If you want to buy any of these parts, tires, wheels, lift, bumpers, hoods, grills, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com. We would love to sell them to you. And if you're in the market for a vehicle, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and scroll through all the vehicles that are currently for sale on dealers' lots that you could go and buy today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.